Mga kada, ready na ba kayo sa pasabog na usapang pageantry? Dahil hindi lang ganda at rampa ang pinag-uusapan natin ngayon. May drama, may intriga, at yes, at may mga revelasyon na talagang naman pag-uusapang online mula sa Miss Universe Philippines 2026 controversies. Excited ka, girl?
Yes, and the coronation of Miss Universe 2026 is happening very soon. Kaya naman today, makakasama natin ulit ang isang pageant expert na tutulong sa ating pag-usapan ang lahat ng mga controversies na to. So please welcome back, Tita Lavinia!
Hello at maraming salamat mga kada. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat ulit at nandito ako.
Yes! We're always so excited to have you.
Thank you.
So excited. The online world is also, kasi talagang sinishare ko lahat ng post ni Tita Lavi at dahil sa iyo ko nalalaman ng mga updates.
Ayan naman pala, tambay na tambay.
Very good ka talaga. Kaya simulan na tayo dyan. With our
Yes.
first controversy. Oh, you wanna go for it?
Yes, so the first controversy, very relevant naman siya because very recent. So how important is behavioral issues or an attitude when it comes to a beauty queen or a candidate?
Ooh, absolutely important ang behaviors. In fact, there was another competition na talagang binibida nila yung B's, kasama doon yung behavior. But prior to that, dapat talaga, i-check mo yung sarili mo kung kakayanin mo. Lalo na dito sa setup nila sa Miss Universe Philippines, it goes on for months. Tapos, in close contact kayo with the girls. So kung nag-aral sa all-girls school, sa Catholic school, alam naman yung dynamics na magkakaroon talaga ng mga behavioral issues dyan.
Yeah.
But normal naman din talaga. Nagkakaroon ng mga clash. But you're also applying for a job. So parang kasama din talaga yan sa challenges kung mariregulate mo yung sarili mong behaviors.
Itong tanong kasi, may kasabay na controversy ng konti, di ba? Ang pagtanggal ng isang kandidata. Ano nangyari?
So ano na?
Agad-agad to.
Ano nangyari? Well, according to the official statement of Miss Universe Philippines, dahil in fairness sa kanila, nagbigay din sila ng official statement,
Okay.
it was due to behaviors. Now, if we are to believe yung mga chismis na mga nandun, mga nakikimasid, they were zeroing in on one particular candidate. So unfortunately, dahil ang vague ng pagkakalatag ng
Kung ano
official
talaga yung issue,
statement, kung ano
oo.
yung reason, so lahat ng tao nag-assume na itong isang kandidatang to, para sa kanya yung behavioral issues.
So it's almost like a blind item.
It's like a
kinda.
blind item, which is also kind of weird for an organization as established as Miss Universe Philippines. Kasi kung may gusto sila dapat na tanggalin o kaya naman may gusto silang sabihin na mabigat ang behavioral issues pagdating sa competition, dapat talaga mas nakasaad ng maayos yon because it was so vague, kahit sino na lang who fits it pwedeng sabihan na siya yung may behavioral
Actually,
Yes.
medyo parang konting red flag.
Yes,
sa,
yes.
Ano, diba?
Yeah, and it's
Oo.
very rare too for an organization to remove a candidate so blatantly like this and so biglaan like. So what do you think a girl or a candidate, for example, would have to behave in order to really push an organization to be like, okay, wag na, tama na.
Parang what's the worst? they
Nako.
could do?
Yeah, because especially for Miss Universe Philippines, there's a lot of Filipino communities.
Yes,
It could be a cultural difference, but at the same time, there's a level of professionalism, right?
Alam ko naman, of course, these organizations are very nurturing. Alam ko rin naman na before sila umabot sa ganito, dapat medyo sagad na. Now, of course, because they weren't saying anything beyond yung kanilang official statement, ang personal take ko dito ay umabot na sa ganyan kasi may mga nagrereklamo na. So, di ba, kahit naman may behavioral issues, hanggat wala naman nagsasalita,
True.
the organization will just let it fly. Pero
Totoo
hanggat may mga individuals na, kung may involvement man ng individuals, because we have to understand sa usapin ngayon, bullying mabigat-bigat na kaso na.
Totoo yan.
Ang kandidata o kaya naman anyone from the staff or anyone from the organization may magsalita lang dyan on bullying,
Yeah.
you have to take it seriously.
Especially an organization that is looking forward to have advocacies, di ba?
Yes.
We can't afford to have, may ugali dyan. Wag! Pageant to! Hindi lang kayo maganda sa labas, ha? Dapat sa loob din.
Kailangan mapagpanggap ka rin.
Tama, correct. Ito, doon naman tayo sa viral na swimsuit showcase na
Yes.
sinasabing AI generated. Anong masasabi ni Tita Lavinia dito?
Nako, eto, alam ko maraming galit na galit. Alam ko maraming inis na inis dyan. And alam ko, yung mga tao na nakasubaybay sa akin, nag-expect sila na maiinis din ako, magagalit ako. Pero eto kasi yung take ko. AI yung ginamit nila, I know na it's polarizing because ang sabi parang if you use AI, mabigat siya sa environment, mabigat yung energy na ginagamit niya. Others are saying, unfair naman to sa creatives na talagang kaya namang mag-create ng magagandang concepts,
True.
makeup, hair, pero bakit kailangan gamitan ng AI? Ako, I'm very moderate about my opinion on Miss Universe Philippines using AI because I also feel it's hypocritical naman na i-point out natin yan sa Miss Universe Philippines. Tayo mismo, consumers ng AI. Like,
True.
don't you
Yes.
guys check through ChatGPT?
Yeah.
Hindi pa tayo nanonood ng mga cat videos na dramatic na
Totoo
parang
yun.
AI generated. So ako, siguro it was a misstep for Miss Universe Philippines to push for a technology na hindi pa
Hindi pa digestible
pulido.
sa- oo,
Hindi
diba?
pa maayos kasi may mga distortion pa sa face, sa smile. Hindi ngayon nagmumukhang uniform. But I also feel na maybe they were just trying something new. Alam ko itong organization na to, they want to have their mark in pageantry. Gusto talaga nilang tumatak. So siguro they wanted to try something different.
True, true. I think the most important sa pagdating sa mga ganito, mga editings, Photoshop, AI, whatever man na gusto nilang gawin, when it comes to the actual pageant, makikita ba natin yung quality? Pareho ba? Diba? Yun lang naman din. Pero let's move on. Kasi ang dami nating issues.
Gusto damihan lahat ni Diana.
Hindi issue dito sa kada umaga. Hindi kami ni Justo, ha? Ito talaga, Tita Lavinia, na pinag-uusapan online. Tungkol naman kay Cristeta.
Cristeta Longi.
Oo, ng Benguet. Totoo ang allegations niya. Kung totoo ang allegations niya, gaano ito kaseryosong issue for a national pageant?
Well, seryoso tong issue na to kung meron na talagang, sabi ko sa inyo, nagsalita na.
Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, may allegedly...
Okay, so for context,
Correct.
Miss Universe Philippines Benguet, meron silang competition, may local competition sila, may nanalo doon. Dapat yung mananalo doon aakyat sa representation ng Miss Universe Philippines Benguet, si Cristeta Longi ito. But somewhere along the way, paumpisa pa lang ang Miss Universe Philippines noon, nag-withdraw siya sa kanyang candidacy because according to her official statement, she wasn't getting the support. So that could be financial support, that could be other forms of support kasi nag-uumpisa na siya sa pictorials niya, sa press work niya, and trainings. Now, depende kung kanino kayo maniniwala, but it seems na parang hindi na siya yung pinayagan mag-represent because the people who were in charge of her representation, parang nabaling yung atensyon nila, tapos iba yung pinarepresent nila, pero iniba nila yung organization, hindi na siya Benguet Mountain Province. Now, for context, si Miss Mountain Province naman, si Linery Yodong, alam ko, inulan din siya ng batikos ng husto because a lot of people were like saying, bakit ka pumayag na mag-represent ng Mountain Province? Alam mo na may nasagasaan kang isang kandidata.
Yes.
Pero, nandito na tayo ngayon sa preliminaries. Sa pagkakaintindi ko, yung dalawang parties or yung mga parties sa norte, ayos na nila yung mga issues nila, nagko-compete na ng matiwasay si Miss
That's
Mountain
good.
Province and lumalaban naman siya ng swak
at
na
least.
swak. So alam ko may lalabanan si Cristeta. I'm not in the liberty to like say it, pero alam ko may redirection
She has
naman na
plans.
mangyayari for her.
Yes. So,
And having support, especially from your organization, is such a big factor. So when you
course.
feel like
Yeah.
there's unfair treatment, or if you feel like attention is being swayed more than the other, then as a candidate yourself, it will also really discourage you as well.
Yung confidence mo
It
talaga.
messes up with your
Yeah.
self-esteem also, di ba? And your confidence overall para sa ipaglalaban mo. Pero ito, yung mga ganitong controversies, nakaka-apekto ba sa credibility ng buong competition sa tingin mo? Kasi ang dami na ng issue.
Yes, of
Yes.
course. Definitely nakaka-apekto to. Nakaka-apekto to lalo na sa mga private jokes or mga inside jokes sa mga comment section. Parang, ayan na naman yung pageant na inaabot ng 5 hours. Ayan na naman yung pageant na pa-voting. But, it does not diminish naman. At the end of the day, kapag malapit na yung finals, tutok naman tayo sa mga events that matter.
Baka
like
kasi
the
ingit sila sa Miss
preliminaries.
Universe, marami issue.
In fairness, hindi lang naman Miss Universe Philippines.
Ay, oo.
Even Miss Earth Philippines, meron mga issues yan on production. Binibining Pilipinas also has issues with yung usad ng mga development sa kanila,
Yeah.
medyo
Yes.
mabagal. So, lahat naman yan sila may issues. It's just that kapag nandiyan na rin yung competition, pag-uusapan natin, babalik din naman tayo at
Totoo.
manunood din naman tayo.
Totoo. Ito, yung usapang boycott sa pag-withdraw ng Pilipinas, possible ba talaga yung or parang haka-haka lang ito ng mga fans?
Diyos ko, ilang beses na tayong binalahura sa pageants, matinding-matindi. Nandyan pa rin tayo. Palagay ko, we have to understand yung mga pageants na to, kung sakaling may hindi magagandang nangyayari, antayin mo lang naman ng 1 taon eh. Tapos na naman yan.
Alam mo, nabiting ako dito sa mga questions, kaya madagdagan ko na lang. Kasi, it's been trending talaga yung mga posts na hinihimay-himay mo ang mga sagot doon sa pre-pageant Q&A, di ba?
China G talaga siya.
Ooh, let's chika that!
Yes,
Eto
the
na.
interviews just came out.
Go, Jazz. Do you wanna ask?
Go,
Kasi
Jazz.
ang dami kong nakikita doon. Ang dami kong mga bet natin na biglang, what happened?
Yes, but also at the same time, Q&A is so subjective. There's
True.
some people who think one candidate answered eloquently. There's other people who think she
True.
could have gave more. So how do you really thrive in a Q&A element like that?
Well, first of all, if you're an analyst, you look muna for their strengths. Katulad niyan, let's say, alam mo na yung kandidata, magaling talaga siya sa English. So, dun ka muna sa level na yon. So, i-check mo muna, okay ba yung English niya? Okay naman. Pero wag ka naman din masyadong tutok na parang maestra na tinitingnan mo kung ano yung mga errors niya because hindi naman tayo lahat ganun same sa proficiency sa English.
True.
Now, ang susunod mong titingnan is yung content or yung depth ng sinasabi niya because it could be Taglish, it could be English na maraming grammatical errors, pero yung sinasabi niya, baka naman swak ang content.
True.
That could also go the same doon sa tao na magaling mag-English pero kapag himay-himayin mo, parang hindi naman pala nabigyan talaga ng thought. Nagkaalaman tayo na kung ano yung unang pumasok sa utak niya, yun na lang
Yun na
yung
lang
sinabi
nilabas
niya.
din.
True.
And this could also happen sa ganung klase ng setup. Bahala ka na lang paano mo i-regulate yung sarili mo. But some people, lalo na yung mga nakatutok doon, nakikita talaga
Totoo.
nila yung nerves mo. If you're
Totoo
trying
yan.
to hide it, if you're trying to power through, or
True.
gusto mo matapos na lang.
Meron kasi mga
Yes.
iba doon na talagang bet talaga natin. Na alam natin magaling na sila. Tsaka ito, si Tita Lavinia kasi, you also train, di ba, the
Yes po,
girls.
yes.
Lalo sa Q&A. Kaya you're really the best person to who's ganito.
Thank you po.
talaga. Kasi kung curious kayo sa mga sinasabi namin ni Jazz dito at ni Tita Lavinia, puntahan nyo sa Titas of Pageantry na page.
Thank you.
Kasi nandun, nakahiwalay, di ba, Jazz? Bawat candidate na sagot.
Yes, it's there on the Titas of
And then
Pageantry
there you
page.
can see.
Always updated.
Yeah, kasi tama yung sinabi ni Jazz. I like that she neutralizes because she's also a beauty queen. So she knows the pressure that it takes, di ba, when you're there. Di ba? Parang talagang...
And also, there's a lot of online pressure too, especially if you're a known front runner. But then your Q&A comes out, and then you didn't fall where the expectations were. So there's a lot of other online controversies in the middle of the bigger controversies. But what do you feel about, the fan wars and like all of the online chismes that goes on with that?
For me the more na may fan wars, the more na may fan chismes, mas alive siya. I mean,
True,
would you
true.
rather have an edition na walang nag-uusap-usap?
Totoo yun.
However, I feel na itong mga awayan na to, it's a little more on the manufactured side. Kasi mga unang linggo hanggang unang buwan nila, wala naman nag-aaway-away.
Oo nga,
So siguro, yung pressure kasi papunta na tayo sa finals.
Yeah.
So siguro talagang yung fan base nila, kailangan lakasan na nila kasi yun na lang yung nakita nilang butas na mag-away-away sila. Mukhang walang nag-aaway-away sa mga girls eh.
Yes.
So sila na lang yung gumagawa ng sarili nilang issues.
Ano
True.
oras ba? Nabiting ako dito.
I know, there's
Yeah, may backstage pa.
Pero mabibiting kayo mga kada, kaya ito na lang gawin natin. Mag-check nyo na lang ang mga pages ni Tita Lavina. Tita Lavina, go ahead and give them. Kasi nga, ang dami nung pwede panoorin dyan. promise.
Yes. Please check us out on Titas of Pageantry. I still have my live shows on YouTube. That's on the Tita Lavinia channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. May Facebook din kami. Ang finals po ng Miss Universe Philippines, kung curious kayo, na-move na siya from May 1 to May 2. So may mga
talaga?
aabangan kayo. Right after this, Binibining Pilipinas na naman. And then Miss Philippines Earth. So sunod-sunod na naman
I
po.
love
Wow, that means there's more to talk about. So that means there's more Tita Lavinia to come.
True.
More,
Tita
thank
Lavina here, ah.
Yes, mga kada, abangan pa natin ang susunod na ganap ng Miss Universe Philippines 2026 dahil mukhang marami pang pasabog ang paparating.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.